Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to day trade with Etrade. First, ensure you understand the specific rules for day trading, including the minimum equity requirement. You will need to maintain at least $25,000 in your account to avoid pattern day trader restrictions. Familiarize yourself with Etrade platform and the tools available to help you make informed decisions throughout your trading day. To begin, open a brokerage account with Etrade, selecting the appropriate account type for active trading. Once your account is established, ensure that all necessary active trading features are enabled within your profile settings. Next, link your bank account securely to facilitate quick and easy funding. This step is crucial for meeting the minimum balance requirements and for efficient deposits and withdrawals. Etrade offers powerful tools to assist your day trading. Navigate the Power Etrade platform to access advanced charting and real-time market data. Use these features to analyze price movements and identify potential opportunities. Create customized watch lists to track your preferred stocks and set up alerts for significant price changes or news. These tools are essential for quick decision-making. When executing trades, speed is key. Use Etrade rapid order entry to place buy and sell orders efficiently. Always manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on a trade. Continuously monitor your open positions and market conditions throughout the trading day. This disciplined approach helps protect your capital and maximize your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.